can solve a Rubik's Cube in about like 30 seconds or so.
The method used to solve cubes requires algorithms and specific steps.
Rubik's Cubes are very cool. The way people solve them really fast.
People use finger tricks to turn the sides of a cube with one finger. This is faster than just turning the entire side with the palm of your hand. There are competitions for cubes of different sizes that many people attend.
I've competed in one competition at UCF, and I competed in 3 events. It was really fun. I went with 2 of my friends.
Only 5% of the world's population can solve a Rubik's Cube.
Yeah, I can solve a Rubik's Cube, and they're actually really fun to solve.
People solve Rubik's Cubes really fast, and I think that's really amazing how fast they can solve it.
On average, I can solve a Rubik's Cube in about 25 seconds, with my fastest being 11.3 seconds.
As the future advances, these cubes from the 80s advance even more.